Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the process of configuring a Non-METTLER Toledo terminal in DataBridge. We will need to collect several data values: packet string, total packet length, start character, stop character, wait packet length, wait offset, and wait length. Open your TCP/IP utility tool to connect the scale. Make sure you run this program as an administrator to ensure a smooth connection. Read and understand the license information and select Close to continue. In the pop-up window, allow the -TCP/IP utility tool to communicate on private and public networks. Make sure both boxes are selected before clicking Allow Access to continue. In the TCP/IP utility tool, navigate to the TCP client at the top left of the page, right-click on the screen and find Special Chars, then select ASC toNames. On the right side of the screen, type in your terminal IP and port number in the designated fields and click Connect. Once the connection is made and the code is generated, select Disconnect. Copy the text generated, this is the packet string. From the packet string, you can fill in the rest of the information needed. Next, open the DataBridge software and navigate to the Configuration tab in the top left corner. In the Configuration tab, locate and select Scale Configuration from the drop-down menu. Then select Scale Configuration again to proceed. At the bottom of the page, you will see a list of available terminals. Choose the terminal you want to configure and fill out the information fields provided. Next, select Connection in the middle of the screen. Change the communication protocol to custom and fill in the remaining fields, including the TCP/IP address and port number used prior. Navigate back to the Connections drop-down and choose Custom Protocol, then select General. Fill in the start char and max length fields with the information already collected. Then navigate back to the Custom Protocol drop-down and select Wait. Fill in the offset and length fields with the information already collected. Check the Enabled box and save your changes by clicking the Save icon located on the left side of the page just beneath the fields. After successfully saving your terminal, you will see it appear in the top right corner of your screen. The status indicator will change from red to green, indicating that it is now active. Your terminal has been successfully configured in DataBridge.